All right, so that's for the second keyword, tracer, under the props. And the third keywords, you put that under the solution. All right, so you have regions, nothing special. You include this file to be used for regioning. And for the solution, yeah, you put this one for initialization, and you put these keywords, which are very important. The keyword is T for tracer, BLK for block, and F for free state of the tracer rather than instead of solution state. So for if the injector exists as a free state or free phase, then you will use F. But if it exists in solution phase, then you will use S. All right. So to understand clearly about that, I think you need to first learn about the tracer. All right, the basic of tracer. And the last letter is just to show you the name of the tracer. So I have tracer A, tracer B300, B301, and so on and so forth. So T for the tracer, BLK for the block, F for the state or the phase, and the last one is for the name of the tracer itself. And you notice this, I have 2600. This is the total cell that I have. So what does it mean? By saying this, I want to say that for tracer A exists as a free phase. All right, it's not in dissolution. It will not be dissolved into formation brine, or it will not be mixed with oil or the gas. All right, it will be free. All right. Of course, A is free because A is reservoir water, right? So yeah, tracer A, free, and initially, right? We are in solution, and in solution we have initial condition, right? So initially, all the blocks, all the 2600 blocks will have the value of the concentration of tracer A as 1. The value of the concentration is 1 initially. Of course, right? The concentration of formation water existing initially, we we consider that as 1. And initially there is no other tracer whatsoever. So initially there is no tracer B300, there is no tracer B301, there is no. All right. So after you inject the after you inject the tracer, of course, the concentration of the tracer in the reservoir model blocks will increase. While this one, the concentration of the A tracer, the reservoir brine, may be decreased. All right. Because of production and because of sweep from the water and so on and so forth. So yeah, summary, nothing special. Schedule. Later on, schedule will be important. Okay, so in this script, you put tracers with S, and then the next one is for tracer and TBLK. All right. Be careful if you use compositional modeling, the keyword will be a slightly different, right? Will be slightly different. Okay. Yeah, don't save, but you can save it because I just use comment here. Nothing important there. All right. And let's go to the files again. The main thing or the next important thing is schedule.